Exercise 6.3, question number 6. In figure 6.37 of your NCERT book, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, then show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So this is the figure we are given. So we have since triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, which we are given. So if two triangles are congruent, that means from which we can collect their corresponding equal sides, equal parts. So here let AB is equal to AC, not let, as they are congruent, so they will be equal. AB equal to AC, BE is equal to CD, and AE is equal to AD. All these three because of corresponding parts of congruent triangles, CPCD. Now out of these three ratios, we will use this one and this one too. So here, let AB is equal to AC. This implies that AB upon AC is equal to 1. And let this be equation number 1. AE is equal to AD. That implies AE upon AD is also equal to 1. Let this be 2. Now since both the ratios are equal to 1, so by 1 and 2, AB upon AC is equal to AE upon AD. Okay. So here I will apply by alternando. Okay. So here I will take the side I think AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE. I think we should correct from here. AD upon AE is equal to 1 instead of AE upon AD. So I am just changing this relation. Please exclude this part. This part we will not take because the ratios are reversing. So we have AE is equal to AD. So this will give you AD upon AE is equal to 1. That is the equation number 2. So by 1 and 2, AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE. AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE. Now here I am going to apply alternando. Now why I am doing this? Because we have to take the ratio of sides of triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Just now we have got the simplest ratio, AB upon AC is equal to AD upon AE. By alternando, we will change the ratio, so it will be the ratio of side with the triangle's other side. So this way, when we will do alternando, it will be AB upon AD, this comes here, is equal to AC upon AE. Okay, check it. AB upon AD. AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. So ratio of this side to this side is equal to ratio of this side to this side. Also, this angle is common for both the triangles ABC and triangle ADE. And angle A is equal to angle A, which is common. That means triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE by side angle side criteria.